Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to track iPhone location from another iPhone. So if you want to check your iPhone location, whether you have lost your iPhone or you do not find your iPhone, then you can simply check the location of your iPhone or track the location from iPhone from another iPhone. For this, what you have to do, so you have to do some necessary settings. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and this time you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network setting, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to security and privacy, and you have to enable the location services. So for Find My, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that both of the iPhone are connected to Find My, which means that you have also turned on the location services on the iPhone you want to track the location. So after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari, and here you have to simply look for the iCloud.com, and you have to simply search for Find, and here you can simply put your Apple ID, and after logging in the Apple ID, you can simply find the location of your iPhone just by simply putting the details here. So here what you have to do, you have to simply first of all open the setting, and after that you have to turn on the location services, and you have to find your iPhone using iCloud Find Devices. For this, you have to simply search for iCloud.com, and you have to click on Find, and after that you have to log in into Apple ID, and you have to provide the details. After that, you have to tap on the iPhone from the device list, and you can view its live location by tapping play sound. You can make this iPhone ring to find nearby. Moreover, you can also use these things. So what is the benefit? It provides real-time update, and it supports offline finding, so you can simply integrate with family sharing. Moreover, its location is not accurate, and it needs internet connection. So you can also use Find My location sharing. So in this way, you can also check your iPhone location services. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.